Yeah. What's going on, people? It's your guy P100. Welcome to the Kingdom Wealth Academy channel. You already know, I know it's been a while. I wasn't really feeling well, but I'm not saying that for you to feel sorry for me or anything. I'm just saying it to you so you know I couldn't really trade like that. But the academy was still making money. Obviously, we lost one trade yesterday. We lost it twice, actually. But you already know how it goes. We lose some, we win some, but not in Kingdom of Academy. We lose some, but we win more, because obviously, what do you mean we win some and we lose some? If that's the case, what's the point of trading? Might as well just go back to your normal job and just know that you're getting your £1,000, £2,000 in a month and you're good, right? Trust me. So thank you and welcome to the channel. Listen, if you haven't done it already, before anything, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it. Don't just come and just take in the nuggets for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you share it around, because I know how us people are. You like to keep things for yourself because you feel like the top is too crowded, but there's so much space at the top. All right. So thank you very much for joining. And this is actually a training session with my academy right now. But I thought to myself, you know what? I'll put myself under pressure and do the trading as I record. You know what I mean? So everyone knows, oh, this is not a pre-recorded session where we talked about things, none of that. So thank you very much for joining, and let's make it happen. So today we're looking at a few trades. So we have some of the people saying they want us to look at EURUSD. They want us to look at USDJPY. So I'm going to choose maybe 2 to 3 trades that we're going to go through, okay? So let's start off with USDJPY. Okay. Oh, wow. So this is, first and foremost, people, for the ones that are watching, this is what I love about, coming on here and then choose like random pairs. I've actually forgotten that we've actually marked this up, as you guys can see on here. And we could see that, from when it hit our supply, it came down here, done a little double top, and then from here it started tanking. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, came back up here. It didn't quite get to our lower high to break it, and then from here we could see came down there, came to this bit here, and then absolutely tanked. Okay, absolutely tanked. I even forgotten that we've marked this up. But this is how you know that marking up from before actually helps. Not only me, but it helps even the people in my academy, because that means they trust the judgment of their coach. Okay, so let's see if we would have gotten into this trade. So from here to there, oh, excuse me, how many pips? Wait, sorry, can someone tell me? Because I don't think I can see, like, can someone tell me how many pips? I can't really see it properly. Anyone, don't be shy.
507.
Thank you very much, Junior. 507 pips. Wow. Now, the question I want to ask, Gerbs, have you been in this trade already? Did you look at it? Did you know what kind of direction it's going?
I made some money when it was buying, and when I saw the chalk happening, I wasn't in any trade then anyway, but I took out my profit for the buy, and I didn't look at it again until today.
Okay.
When I saw EURUSD do a mad buy.
Okay.
That's when I looked at this. I was like, oh, it's
okay.
doing a mad sell.
Yes.
Why? Yeah.
Yes. So you see, for future reference now, for example, if you're in USDJPY, I'm just quickly gonna go to EURUSD and then I'll get back to you USDJPY, okay? Now if you're in USDJPY sell, then automatically for EURUSD, yeah, which is against the USD, you would go for the opposite, which is boom, a buy. So now you know the thing that I said before we even started recording about the USD basket. Whatever the USD basket, so if the USD basket is buying, then if you do EURUSD, of course you'll be selling, vice versa. You know what I'm saying? So now, if you write this down and you put it in your little journal book or whatever, that's going to help you a lot, because that's not just in regards to USDJPY. That can be USD CHF. Let's just have a look. Maybe I'm just here not even giving you the right details, but let's have a look. Boom, USD CHF. What did it do? Wham. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, it's just, it's phenomenal. And this is what I'm saying, people. Once you gain the experience and once you understand how this trading thing works, I'm telling you, it'll be different. But what I want from you is, I wouldn't necessarily say hunger, because I can't give you the hunger. I can only give you what I know. But the one thing that I can try to give you is perseverance. Like, even though we lose some trades, we still go at it and we make it happen, you know? But one thing I want to help you do is let go of the trades where you're trying to like get your money back. There's what is it called again? What is it called again? Revenge trading, right? Where you lost it and now you feel like you have to use twice the lot size to get, forget all of that. Look at this thing that we marked up already, and I didn't even know that we marked it up already. Can you say how it just played it right? Like, look at this. From here, it came, broke this bit here, came to retest this bit there, done a little bit here, tanked. Now, for me to ask, who gave me this currency? Gerbs, what is it that you would concentrate on now on USDJPY without me even telling you? What is it that you're looking out for?
Yeah, clear cells.
Clear cells. Lovely.
Yeah.
So with that one now, what is it that you're waiting for to see if you can even enter the trade?
I'm gonna wait for a pullback
Mm-hmm.
and see I can catch the pullback and enter. Waste no time.
That's it. That's it. You know, and even if you want to go a bit extreme, you can come on here, check the daily. Okay. Has it broken some structures? I think we don't need to ask that twice. Look at that super, that selling candle that is done today alone. That is serious. You know, so as you already said, for that one, you're just waiting for pullback opportunities, and then you're in there. Simple. And this is not just for girls, people. You see, when we do these training sessions, this is for everyone. That's why I want everyone to have their babies. You know, sorry, people on YouTube that are listening to me thinking I'm mentioning babies. Like, we like to give people their personal currencies, yeah, and treat them like babies. Why do we call it babies? Because babies, you need to nurture, you need to look after them. You need to, you know what I'm saying? You're not just going to have a baby and you're just going to dump them there for a week and not look after them, right? You need to feed them. You need to show them love, right? Come on. And that's exactly what you need to do with the currencies, because that is going to pay you your money. You know what I'm saying? So with that USDJPY, yes, the good thing about this is probably tomorrow, yeah, when we look at it tomorrow, yeah, it's gonna come, probably do like a nice little pullback, boom, 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 and then from Monday, we then gonna look at following the right direction again. You see what I'm saying? But look at it carefully, and you give us a heads up in the group, and I want everyone else to look at it as well, because as I told you guys, man, it's teamwork. Yeah, but yeah, well done with this one, girls, man. Super proud.
Yeah, that's fine, bro. I'll keep an eye on that one.
Yeah, lovely, 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 lovely. Okay, and now let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay. So for the people that are looking at Euro USD, has anyone made money from it? Has anyone got into the trades? Has anyone done anything in regards to, yeah?
I didn't. Well, I was making money this morning. I didn't set my SL.
Oh, yeah.
And now I'm kind of losing. I lost a bit of money. So, but that was my own doing. There was no SL set up,
yeah,
which should have been set up. And so, yeah, lesson learned.
Oh, nah, but yeah, that's what I'm saying. Do you know what the funniest thing is? It's like, you see with this trading thing,
yeah,
I've learned the most from my mistakes, you know. Trust me.
Yeah.
Listen, I can tell you 90 to 95% of the people, when they lose money, they know why they lost money. Believe me on that one.
Yeah, I know exactly why. And I promise you, I will never ever forget to put our SL on again. I won't ever forget now.
Trust me, the SL, listen, with SL, yeah, what you have to understand, I call it still learning. You know what I'm saying? I don't call it stop loss, still learning. You know what I mean? Like, you actually, when it comes to trading, what people have to understand is that you are actually in charge of how much you can lose, you know? You shouldn't forget that. You are actually in charge of how much you can lose. That's the maddest. So sometimes when people come in there, oh my God, today I lost £100. Why, oh my God? Like, I mean, when you entered the trade, you knew what's going on. So it's either you entered with a high lot size, yeah, or you entered with no SL, okay? And this I will never get. I will always say to people, having SL, I don't even care about the TPs, because what can happen, like for example, with this one, yeah? Let's say like you entered here somewhere, yeah? Let's just quickly get that. Let's say you entered here somewhere, okay? And it's going your way, and your SL is somewhere here, okay? Now, who cares about your TPs? It's going your way. Even though it came all the way down to where you nearly entered, look what happened. Boom, 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 boom. Went up your way nicely. So you entered here, it's up there. So what you can actually do now is move your SL into profit. And let's just check this quickly. From your entry to your SL, 235 pips. You entered this trade on 0.1, which is equivalent to £1, €1. You're up £235 or 235 euros. You're laughing. You don't care what's going on with this trade now. For all you know, what it can do from here tomorrow, there's news and it just does boom. Please tell me, do you care? Of course you don't care, because you just bagged in 235 pips. So when it comes to the SL people, please, I'm begging you, take advantage of it, man. Take full-blown advantage of it. That's actually, to me, SL is actually one of the most important things. Trust me. Sometimes don't be too, you know, sometimes we use like SLs that are too close. Like, let's say you entered here, yeah? Let's say you entered here, okay? And then you put your SL like here, yeah? Obviously, you're moving a bit mad. I know some traders do that, yeah? But what's the pip? How many pips is that? How many pips is that? What's that? Let's see. 11 pips. So £1 trade, you're losing £11. Chill out sometimes. Give it breathing space, you know? You can afford to lose £20. Put a bit more down there. But SL is important, guys, man. For real, for real, for real. Okay? But before I carry on, Amo, what are you saying, bro? Doing the mistake again. What happened?
No, I mean on USDJPY, bro. I'm holding it. I'm not getting out.
You're holding it. So you're in the what you let me go into USDJPY quickly before we come back in here. Okay, so were you in the buy?
Nah, bro, I'm in the sell for like a week.
Yeah, so that's a good thing. So what do you mean you're making the same mistake again?
No, I'm not doing the same mistake again. I'm holding it. I'm not doing it. You remember last time I cashed out? This man.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You learned from it, right? Okay, now because he said, bro, doing the mistake again. So what you're basically saying is you're not doing the same mistake again.
Yeah. I'm sorry, bro.
100%, yes. And this is what I'm saying, Amo, just for GURBS to know. Did you not learn from not putting SLs?
But to be really and truly, man, I haven't said SL because I was really confident in that, man. And it hit that spot and boom, it took off and never came back. So yeah, but yeah, man, I did some mistakes and I've also learned.
100%. I can tell you definitely mastered the patience bit though, because I don't see many guys that can do 0.01 and they got 17, 23 pounds euros floating. That's insanity. That's like over 400 pips. So you know, like, yeah, man, trust me, Junior, I'm always doing bits. You know what I mean? That he was one of the only guys when he joined the academy that was hot-headed. He just didn't care about patience. I need to make money now. You know what I'm saying? To now see him like holding trades for weeks, that's insanity in a good way. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm super, super proud of you, Amo, man. Like, if I don't tell you, I'm lying. That's serious. So all I want you to do, yeah, if you're already in the sell with this one, what I want you to do, if you're in good profit, what you do, you go to maybe minute 30, okay? Depending on where you entered, you check. Let me actually give you specifics, okay? Now, you see that it's done a nice drop here, bam, pulled back to here, and it carried on again. What I would do is I would have my SL probably somewhere here, nicely, because from here now, you never know. You know what happened to us with, was it USDJPY as well, Amo? When you were up 500, 600 pips, and you thought, oh, I'm just gonna wait for it to come back down, and it never came down.
Yeah, just like gold, bro.
Just like gold. This can be the same scenario again. It can just do this and it can just tank. It can absolutely tank all the way down. For all you know, it can even tank all the way to somewhere down here. We don't know. So what you can do, put your SL in profit, and then you can sleep peacefully, not just with one eye open. You see what I'm saying? And then
Yeah, bro, but how should I go with the lot sizes? ×1 or go according to the charts? The Kingdom War withdrawing strategy. You
see, with that one, it's totally up to you, because you know exactly what to do, bro. You know what I mean? So with that, you just source out your account, you check your overall balance, and then you look at the percentage. Like for me, for example, I've learned not to risk more than 1% of my overall account. You know what I'm saying? So just take that into consideration, and then you would know what lot size to use.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Okay, EURUSD. Okay, EURUSD. Now let's have a look. Okay. So from here, let's see what I can see. Okay, lower high. Create a lower low. Now, this is actually coming to a very, very, very vital point. A very vital point. Lower high, which created this lower low. Okay. Let me just write this down as well. Okay. Lower high, which created this lower low. Okay. Now, I can see it's going up nicely, but this is where it can trick people. Because some people will be like, oh, do you guys remember when I told you about main structure and substructure? This is exactly where it is. The main structure is from here to here, okay? That's the lower high that created this lower low. Now, what people will focus on is this. They will look at this and be like, yeah, but what is he talking about, man? It's doing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and it's just done a higher high. So now you will focus on this noise here, thinking it's an uptrend, man. What are you talking about? Not knowing that the main structure is from here to there. Guys, man, this video here, you know, I shouldn't even put it on YouTube. I should start charging because these are super nuggets. The main structure is from here to there. But what most people do is they get confused with the substructure on here. Not knowing that it's actually just coming to our lower high here. So as long as it hasn't, I mean, what it can do, guys, it can come, take liquidity. Yeah. Once it takes liquidity, people will be like, oh my God, it's broken the lower high. No, it's just taking liquidity, guys. And then it will, bam, come and create a lower low. If you're with me, you understanding where I'm going with this, your trading knowledge is itching your brain again, and you're like, okay, I'm understanding what P100, what coach is saying. Give me a free in the chat. Give me a 0 if you feel a bit lost. Give me a free if you're with me, And you understanding where we're going with this? Give me a 0 if you feel a bit lost. Let's go, people. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah? Now, this is all that I wanted to explain to my family on YouTube who are watching this with us. This was a nice, you know, little analysis on USDJPY and EURUSD. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for giving me something that you can never have back, which is your time. I appreciate it. Stay blessed, stay shining. You know, this is P100 and this is Kingdom Wealth Academy. Stay blessed. 1.